Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this page curl animation on CapCut PC. Copy and paste your video, and on the second one, you are going to rotate it twice. Then you're going to add a keyframe here, and then at the end, you're going to want to drag it all the way here, like that. Select both, right click, create compound clip. And then you're going to go to mask and you're going to select horizontal and you're going to rotate it like this. And then you're going to add a keyframe here. And then at the end, you're going to want to drag it up. And that's pretty much how you can create this rolling page video effect on CapCut PC. It's super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!